Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel of Digital Marketing Software. In this video, I will guide you how to be able to make friends automatically in series on Facebook by automated tool MKT Care. So this is going to be a tool that's going to help you grow a bunch of Facebook accounts. Manage multiple Facebook accounts in the same interface to assist you in creating an account feeding script support for raising Facebook accounts. So you can use spam. First of all, go to Viral Marketing. Select Friends and Follow Friends. The software will support 3 features. It's the Friends feature, the Follow feature, and the Friends by Suggestion feature. Here, you can be friends by name, friends by regio. I will guide you to make friends according to UID. This will be the simplest form. Here you add a list of UID of the Facebook accounts you want to be friends with. You can scan a list of data. UID Facebook account is your potential customer file. Then you put it in the software. Next you choose. Give yourself the number of streams running simultaneously and the number of friends that you want to give your account to make friends. Finally, you choose Give yourself your Facebook accounts and you click Start, so that the software starts running automatic bulk friends to your ID list. Please join me to monitor the process of software running automatic friends in series. And if you're interested in software, you want to buy software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp at the bottom of the descriptio. Thank you for following the video. See you in the next video.